So, guys, this is what a seam ripper looks like, and there are two types of seam ripper. This one and this other one. Yes. So this one is the smaller one, as you can see, and this is how it comes. While this other one is the bigger one. But if you are a beginner, I would advise you start with this smaller one because this one is very easy to manipulate. So when you want to use it, the first thing you do is to open it up because when you buy it, this is how it comes. So you just open it up and then put it back inside this cup. So this is what it would look like. Now, how to use it. So I'm going to use this dress to illustrate it for you. Now I want to lose this thing here. So the first thing I'm going to do is this is where you're going to be using for ripping your seam. You see this pointed side here. This is where the engine of this seam ripper is. This is where you're going to be making use of this place and also here. Now, how to use it? You use your seam ripper and pick a thread. Just when you pick the thread, you see that the thread will cut. So if it is the one that is difficult, when you pick the thread, you slide it in and make sure that it gets to this sharp edge here. That is what is going to help the thread cut. So when you pick it, you slide it in into that sharp edge. You can see that it has ripped. So that is how you're just going to do it. When you're losing something that is very hard or something that has been sewn, so you just slide it in, you just keep losing and keep losing. So now that I have loosed it, you can see that it has come off, so it is now going to be easy for me to lose. So the next thing I'm going to do is then to start losing it from inside like this. I'll just start picking the thread. I'll just start picking the thread just like you see me doing. You see it's coming off, so you just keep picking the thread. Just be careful so that you don't rip your dress. Just pick, you see this thread, you just pick it, and when you pick it, you slide it into that sharp edge and slide. When you pick, you slide. Make sure you're picking only the threads. Do not let the sharp or don't let the seam ripper go into your dress. So when you just pick, you pick and you slide. When you pick, you slide. So that is it. That is what how you continue using it until you get to the end. You can see how easy and fast it is. So this one I'm showing you now is how to lose a basic and easy parts. You can apply it to anywhere. So assuming I want to lose this seam right here and I do not even know where to start from, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hands to, open it up and then look for where I will find a thread. So I will use this thing and pick it that and cut the thread. So I'll just keep picking the thread, just keep picking and keep picking. So now you can see that here, those threads that I have picked has given here an opening. So you just continue. It's going to be easier for you now that you have opened it. So you just keep picking and sliding, keep picking and sliding. Like I said, as a beginner, This is the perfect seam ripper for you. Don't buy the big one because that big one is definitely going to be difficult for you as a beginner. So you see, my seam is open. You cannot use a razor blade to do this thing now I just did. You can't use a razor blade to do it because if you use a razor blade, you are definitely going to ruin your dress. So that is just how you keep doing it. You see, you just keep sliding. When you remember, when you use this sharp point to pick, you slide it into that this sharp edge here. When you pick it, you slide it in. It is that sharp edge that helps cut the thread. This sharp edge you're seeing right here. So that is how we'll do it until we get to the end of the dress. Now let me also show you with this cup. So assuming I want to lose this cup now, I will do the same thing that I did to the seam. So I'll just open it up and look for where I'll find a thread, and then I'll just pick it. You see, it's open now. I just pick and cut. So you can see this thing is really easy to use. I prefer it more than using a razor blade. So you see, your seam is open. So if you want to lose something like this as well, you just pick and pick. See how I'm doing it. When I pick, I slide it into that sharp object, that sharp edge. So that is just what you continue doing until you are done losing everything. And that is how to use a seam rip. So now let me give you guys another illustration. So assuming I want to lose here, what I'm going to do is I will still look for where I'll find thread. You see, I'll just swipe it in and pick it up. You see that you'll find the thread. So you just use this sharp object, this sharp edge, and just slide in and open it. You see, it's very easy to use. Just pick and slide, pick and slide. So that is it. You see, we have opened it. So just continue picking. Just continue picking. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching.